Hi, I am Matteo and I am a researcher for Ocean Sounds Norway. I also do photo identification. That is a technique that allows researchers to identify specific individual whales in their natural environment. Photo identification is a not invasive and inexpensive tool to use in the field, and we can use DSLR cameras with a zoomed lens as 100-400 millimeters. That is helpful in the field and especially in dynamic works as boat field works. We use zoomed lens in order to take detailed images of the fin for each individual we find. We can process these images on the computer when we are in the office, and we can find many individuals such as dolphins, orcas, minke whales, humpback whales, and can recognize them as their distinctive markings in their body. We can recognize a specific individual by its specific marking, and it allows researchers to understand more about the group and each individual's behavior. For example, when we have large baleen whales, we use different techniques to analyze each individual, such as taking the marks of fluke while the individual is going diving, because we can understand more about each individual while we do the analysis on the computer. When we find new individuals, it's important to take their natural markings in order to put those into a catalog and share it to other organizations. This is important and contribute to the monitoring and conservation of the species. We collect also images by aerial drone videos, and we can connect the videos we take with the behavior of each individual or group we are looking at. For example, foraging, milling or feeding with images, and have a better idea of our study.